Thinking of transferring your crypto from OKX to Binance? Wait. Before you do, you need to know the risks, the best method, and how to avoid costly mistakes. In this video, I'll show you why people hold money in OKX, the right way to transfer your funds, and the mistakes that could cost you money. Watch till the end to avoid these mistakes. Why people hold money in OKX. First, let's talk about why many traders and investors choose to hold their money in OKX. High security. OKX offers top-tier security features like multi-layer encryption, two-factor authentication, and cold storage options. Staking and passive income. You can stake your crypto on OKX and earn passive rewards, making it attractive for long-term holders. Low fees and fast transactions. Compared to other exchanges, OKX offers competitive withdrawal and transaction fees, saving users money. Exclusive crypto listings. Some cryptocurrencies get listed on OKX before Binance, making it a hotspot for early investors. Why transfer to Binance? While OKX has its advantages, many users eventually move their funds to Binance. Here's why. Largest crypto exchange and high liquidity. Binance has the highest trading volume, ensuring you can buy and sell at the best prices with minimal slippage. More trading and earning opportunities. With Binance Earn, you get more staking options, lending programs, and advanced trading tools, fiat withdrawals, and global access. Binance supports direct fiat withdrawals, making it easier to cash out your crypto whenever you need. Regulatory compliance and security. Binance is regulated in multiple countries, making it a safer choice for long-term trading. How to transfer crypto from OKX to Binance, step by step. Now, let's go through the exact steps to safely transfer your funds from OKX to Binance. Step 1. Get your Binance deposit address log into your Binance account. Go to Wallet, Fiat and Spot, Deposit. Select the cryptocurrency you want to transfer. Choose the correct network, ERC20, BEP20, or TRC20. Copy the deposit address. Step 2. Withdraw from OKX log into OKX. Go to Assets, Withdraw. Select the same crypto and network as on Binance. Paste the Binance deposit address. Enter the amount and confirm the transaction. Step 3. Monitor the transaction. Track your transaction under Withdrawal History in OKX. Wait for blockchain confirmations. Time varies by network. Once confirmed, check your Binance wallet for the funds. Important warnings and mistakes to avoid. Before you transfer, here are some common mistakes that could cost you your funds. Wrong network. Ethereum's lost funds. If you send funds to the wrong network, your crypto could be lost forever. Ignoring fees and hidden costs. Check the withdrawal and gas fees before confirming your transaction. Not using 2FA for security. Always enable two-factor authentication to prevent unauthorized withdrawals. And that's it. Now you know why some people hold money in OKX and the safest way to transfer your funds to Binance. Call to action. Did this video help you? Let me know in the comments. Hit the like button and subscribe to Financial Freedom Journey for more crypto and finance tips. Check out the description for useful links and resources.